In the world of sawmilling, where precision, efficiency, and reliability are paramount, choosing the right bandsaw blade can make all the difference. A high-quality blade can help transform raw logs into valuable lumber with speed and accuracy, while a subpar blade can result in poor cuts, wasted material, and lost time. However, with numerous brands and styles on the market, finding the perfect blade for your needs can be a daunting task. Whether you prioritize durability, precision, speed, or perhaps a combination of these, you'll find a blade in this list that can elevate your sawmill operation to new heights. There are many products available to choose the best sawmill bandsaw blades for you, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best sawmill bandsaw blades for you from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Wood-Mizer DoubleHard Bandsaw Blade. Wood-Mizer's DoubleHard blades are renowned in the sawmill industry for their high-quality high-alloy steel composition. Their induction-hardened teeth are a standout feature that promotes long-lasting sharpness and overall durability. A reduced need for frequent changes means you can focus more on cutting and less on blade maintenance, thus optimizing productivity in your sawmill. Number 2. Starrett Duratec SFB Bandsaw Blade. A product of Starrett's long-standing expertise in tool manufacturing, the Duratec SFB bandsaw blade is engineered for speed and precision. It is made from high-carbon steel for added durability, while the unique tooth geometry reduces cutting resistance. The result is smoother, straighter cuts which contribute to the overall quality of the lumber you produce. Number 3. Laguna ProForce Bandsaw Blade. The ProForce blade from Laguna is designed for optimal performance in sawmill operations. Made from Swedish silicon steel and featuring induction-hardened teeth, these blades offer both longevity and consistent performance. Moreover, the ProForce's unique tooth shape enables cleaner and faster cuts, which can significantly enhance the efficiency of your sawmill operation. Number 4. PS Wood Timberwolf Bandsaw Blade. The key feature of the PS Wood Timberwolf blade is its ability to operate under low tension, which contributes to its long lifespan and reduced need for blade changes. Its silicon steel construction and design ensure a sharp and accurate cut, which makes it particularly suitable for sawmill tasks that require a high degree of precision. Number 5. Carter Accuright Bandsaw Blade. Precision and performance are the main focuses of the Carter Accuright bandsaw blade. Constructed from high-carbon steel, these blades are designed to last long and stay sharp. The unique tooth design helps reduce waste and ensure a smoother cut, contributing to the overall quality of the final product. Carter Accuright blades are trusted by many sawmill operators due to their consistent performance and precision. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. If you want to know the details of a particular product, please comment. Thanks for staying with Creation Tech.